These harder.
Cause I made sure it was easy for you.
I need help again, babe.
I know you do. Turn it up. The other way. Yeah, the other way. Turn the stick.
Like
Yeah.
this.
Yeah.
All the way through, just right here.
Yeah, just right there. That's cool. I don't want you to put it all the way through. Pull it out some so it can be easy to take out.
Right here.
Yeah.
Yeah. You said
Push
push
down.
down, then lift it.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Know what I do?
Take the stick out. As long as you ain't got no more pressure on it.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah.
Wait, wrong. You gonna let me do it wrong again?
Not all the way in there. So you can easily take the stick out.
Right here.
Pull it out some more. Right there.
Nah, I ain't got no grip.
Yes, you got good. Okay, go.
See, now I got grip, but I
Man, you don't know what you're doing, man.
I learned from the best.
Yeah. Big dog.
Look, get the top in there.
Can't do nothing right. Just get it to him. Give him a stick. Just get it to him. Look how I do. Move, follow. What are you?
Good glass of food.
Put up. Cause you do it like this, you ain't got no room, cause it gonna hit that thing right there.
Yeah.
Turn it down.
Let me do the last two.
Just like that. Do it like I showed you. Do it like I showed you.
Back like that. Why is not doing it for me no more?
Jay, you embarrassing me on camera. Golly, you embarrassing me with my folks.
So can I try this one?
Do it like that then, Jay. Whatever works. Hard. Put some,
I'm trying.
drop down and give me 50, soldier. Soldier. These folks waiting on us. You taking your precious time. You gotta do hard, baby. You gotta push down. You gotta put some strength into it. No. Don't put your arm on like that. And then, yeah. I got it. That's why Daddy here, baby. Daddy got you.
Come on, man. Damn.
There you go.
Don't do that.
Yeah. Daddy put a little tighter muscles in there.
How come I did the other one by myself? These harder.
Cause I made sure it was easy for you.
I need help again, babe.
I know you do. I know you need help. Then do it. Go come here. Yeah, do it that way. Just like that. Go to the back. Got that one? I got this. Teamwork make the dream work. Come on. No. What I tell you to do first? No. So
That
come out
ain't, you gotta
easy.
give me some time.
You want to go do it right.
Dang.
Right here. I got this. We ain't do this one?
Nope.
That's at the top. Oh boy, never again. Never a freaking again. We got the bomb. We most definitely got the bomb, but never again. Out here with the freaking ships and the barges and, you know what I'm saying, the river boats. And I tell you, man, I can say, what? Forget that. We're gonna talk about it. We're gonna talk about it. We're gonna get ready to roll these scraps up, and we're gonna talk about it. We just got done hauling this load from like it was like 670 miles. But I'm gonna tell you something. As soon as I get done rolling these scraps up, you know, and taking everything off, I'm gonna talk to y'all about something. Give me a minute. Let me take this off now. Hold up. So, you guys see that? They got the crane. Back it up. They got the crane. And they got a ship. So this, I was told back in 2019, this ship had over 4,000 cars in it. Over 4,000 cars in it. And it became off balance and just started. It turned over on the side and sunk. Over 4,000 cars, you know what I'm saying, went to the impound. Savage, because like brand new cars, over 4,000 cars, dude. Now, they using Truckingwithtay to cut it up and turn it to scrap. Y'all see the scrap over there? They cutting it up with the gas that I'm delivering. You know what I'm saying? Can y'all see the smoke up there? And, you know what I'm saying, they sending it to scrap. But that ain't what I want to talk about.
Turn really all I know. Yeah, I just bought